Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Gravon Cars. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Citroen C5, a car that continues the French automaker's legacy of blending bold design with advanced comfort and modern tech. Whether you're eyeing a stylish family car or something a little different from the usual crowd, the C5 might just catch your attention. Let's take a closer look. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Citroen C5 turns heads with its sleek, coupe-like silhouette and bold front fascia. The signature V-shaped LED lighting creates a sharp, futuristic impression, complemented by a wide grille and fluid body lines. Citroen continues its trend of unique design choices with cladding elements and contrasting roof options that add both character and aerodynamics. Sitting on alloy wheels up to 20 inches, the new C5 has a confident, upscale presence, striking a nice balance between rugged crossover and refined sedan. Moving inside, the cabin continues Citroen's focus on comfort and simplicity. The seats are upholstered in premium soft-touch materials and feature the brand's advanced comfort technology, making long drives a pleasure. A minimalist dash design houses a large central touchscreen and a fully digital driver display, offering seamless access to media, navigation, and car settings. The cabin remains spacious, with thoughtful storage solutions and a panoramic sunroof that opens up the space even more. Now, when it comes to performance, the 2026 C5 offers a variety of powertrains to cater to different needs. You'll find a punchy turbocharged petrol engine, a diesel option in some markets, and most notably, a plug-in hybrid variant that delivers solid efficiency without compromising on power. The hybrid setup produces around 225 horsepower and can run up to 50 kilometers purely on electric power. The ride quality, as expected from Citroen, is exceptional, thanks to the progressive hydraulic cushion suspension system. Bumps and potholes are barely noticeable, ensuring a smooth and quiet ride. In terms of safety, the 2026 C5 doesn't disappoint. It comes packed with advanced driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera and blind spot monitoring system further enhance visibility and confidence while driving. Citroen has clearly made safety a priority, targeting top scores in Euro NCAP ratings. What really sets the C5 apart are its unique selling points. It's not just a car, it's an experience. Citroen's commitment to comfort and quirky design makes this model stand out in a sea of bland competitors. The plug-in hybrid option also places it firmly in the eco-conscious category, making it an appealing choice for drivers looking for both style and sustainability. And with its spacious layout, smooth drive, and refined look, the C5 appeals to families and solo drivers alike. As for the price, the 2026 Citroen C5 is expected to start around €33,000 for the base petrol model, with the plug-in hybrid version priced closer to €40,000 depending on trim and features. That's a competitive price point when you factor in the design, comfort, and tech on offer. To wrap it up, the 2026 Citroen C5 is a bold, fresh take on what a midsize crossover can be. It combines eye-catching design with impressive ride comfort, practical performance options, and thoughtful safety features. If you're tired of the usual suspects and looking for a car with personality and comfort at its core, the C5 deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews here on Gravon Cars. See you in the next one.